I quite often do videos and photos of the exterior of the yurt and the beautiful landscape here, but I don't often post videos from inside. So I've just finished getting Woodpecker ready for guests coming in tomorrow for half term. There you can see there's 6 beds, a little gift for them over there, with some marshmallows, a map of the local area, some information, hot water bottles just in case. Each of the beds has got a blanket on as well in case it's a little bit chilly, and the lovely windy smithy wood burning stove, which will keep them nice and toasty if they need to be, already made up with some wood and some kindling. Outside you can see picnic table, there's the meadow over there, fire pit, compost loo very close by, beautiful door, and the camp kitchen and barbecue over there, and the water supply.